The D.Y. Patil University Medical Simulation Lab is Asia's first comprehensive medical training facility. 8 simulators come together to form this immersive learning experience. HPS is the world's most advanced physiological modeling system, built for anesthesia, respiratory, emergency, and critical care. The HPS connects to a real patient monitor and supports mechanical ventilation to deliver more realism for immersive learning. The HPS exhibits real-life reactions for CPR. Using live defibrillators, the team gets a hands-on experience at CPR. The HPS can detect more than 50 intravenous and inhaled medications administered to it and reacts to them just how a living person would. And that's just the beginning of what the HPS is capable of. The NeoSim displays physical characteristics of a 3 to 6 month old patient. It allows physical assessment of various clinical signs. For health providers who wish to hone their pediatric skills, we have a 6-year-old PediaSim, designed to provide advanced pediatric simulation training by tackling scenarios like trauma, nursing, and emergency response care. Learners can practice and achieve perfection in a range of pediatric critical interventions. Lucina is a unique simulator which can simulate all the stages of labor and delivery. The perineum supports accurate fetal descent and rotation, providing better articulation for labor and delivery maneuvers. Lucina will amaze you with every detail, including a lifelike birthing fetus that is clinically accurate in size. Prepartum vaginal examinations can also be performed for evaluation of the cervix, fetal station, and position. Learners can experience various delivery scenarios ranging from a normal delivery to a broad range of obstetrical emergencies. For example, a shoulder dystocia can be managed using the appropriate maneuvers, and Lucina will automatically respond to these clinical interventions when correctly performed. Lucina's other key features include neurological, airway and breathing, circulation, and cardiovascular. The Cath Lab VR interventional simulator engages in cardiac endovascular diagnostic and interventional procedures. As learners manipulate catheters, wires, balloons, and stents through the virtual anatomy, the simulator provides 3D graphic visual cues with state-of-the-art haptics and realistic physiological responses to enhance the simulation experience. The simulator has a collection of basic to complex cases with real patient data to deliver endovascular procedures that develop high-level skills. Many built-in features of the Cath Lab VR interventional simulation help the learners gain confidence for procedures performed in the Cath Lab. The Endo VR is an endoscopic virtual reality simulator, both for gastrointestinal and tracheobronchial scopy training. The bronchoscopy learning module includes bronchoalveolar lavage, transbronchial needle aspiration, endobronchial ultrasound, among other broncho procedures. The gastrointestinal learning module includes a range of endoscopic procedures for both the upper GI tract and the lower GI tract. The Lap VR surgical simulator permits learners to experience hands-on laparoscopic surgery skills before even touching a real patient. The Lap VR includes an essential skills module comprised of basic, minimally invasive surgery skills, including camera navigation, peg transfer, cutting, clipping, needle driving, and knot tying. The procedural skills module includes skill-based tasks of various degrees of difficulty that challenges new learners and enhances these critical skills. An advanced student will be able to perform complex general surgical procedures as well as various minimally invasive OB/GYN procedures. For all simulators, each and every step and its effect on patient outcome is recorded in physiological reports for post-session review and assessment. The D.Y. Patil University Medical Simulation Lab also houses various task trainers to build specific skill sets in the learners. We at D.Y. Patil University Medical Simulation Lab aim to improve patient care by innovating medical education.